In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Booksy Biz account and manage your services to include an attractive add-on option. Whether you're a seasoned salon owner or new to using the Booksy Biz platform, this guide will help you make the most of your listing, enhancing your client's booking experience efficiently and effectively. First things first, let's get you logged into Booksy Biz. This versatile app is accessible via both iOS and Android devices, or you can use the desktop version if that suits you better. Simply open the Booksy Biz app on your device or navigate to the Booksy Biz website if you're using a computer. Enter your login credentials to gain access to your business management tools. It's crucial to have a stable internet connection at this point to ensure a seamless login process. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where a variety of options are available to help you tailor the app to suit your business needs. Now, direct your attention to the Services section, which is the key focus of today's task. From the main menu, tap on Services. This will lead you to your existing list of services, displaying everything you currently offer to your clients. This list is a vital part of how your business interacts with clients, so it's worth keeping it up to date and relevant. Now let's explore how you can enhance your client offerings by adding a new service that serves as an add-on. Look for the plus add service button and tap it, which will open up a new window where you can input the details of this add-on service you wish to offer. Here, you'll enter the name of your add-on. Think of popular examples like beard trim, nail art, or extra massage time. Be sure to make it clear and enticing, since this is what your clients will see when they book. Next, set the duration and price for this add-on. It's important to consider how much time and how many resources you'll dedicate to this service so you can appropriately set a price that reflects its value. After setting this information, you'll want to allow this new service to function as an add-on. This is where toggling the add-on service switch to on becomes pivotal. By doing this, you ensure that this particular service can only be booked in conjunction with a main service, preventing any standalone bookings that might not fit well into your business operations strategy. It's a great way to encourage customers to expand their service packages without disrupting your scheduling. Finally, don't forget to tap Save. This crucial step locks in your changes and ensures that your add-on will appear as an option when clients are booking a main service. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference in how you manage your service offerings. Now, your clients have the opportunity to enhance their appointments and enjoy a more personalized experience with your business.